So this week we're still going to explore collage, but we're going to call it a photo montage. Yeah, Tam's art actually called it a photo montage, not just the pedestrian word collage. So I'm going to embrace the term photo montage because it doesn't sound way more sophisticated. And I'm going to create something that I'm hoping is as spectacular on the canvas as it is in my mind, but I want to create a story. I want to put a figure and a story around it, and I don't know how else to explain it other than my name is Tiffany Romine. Welcome to my channel. Meet me down on the canvas with my rock, paper, scissors, and we'll cut something out and make a storyboard. But actually a piece of art, not just a storyboard, but it would be a storyboard. Okay, so as you can see, I've got all kinds of blue things cut out. A lot of it's denim, a little bit like a dress with some fabricy, florally stuff. I thought that'd be kind of cool. I'm not so sure. We'll see how it goes. And I've sketched out my image. I don't want to give it away, so you're just going to have to be patient. And let's just turn on some music and watch me cut paper because this really takes a very long time.
Better say something that will change my mind. Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind. And I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance. We won't stand a chance. Something that will blow my mind. If I have learned one thing, it's wasting time. And I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance.
So this collage or photo montage, I approached slightly different this time. I didn't do the background first, and I'm kind of regretting it. I don't know. I don't know which one would have been easier if I would have put the scene in first and then the image, but this time I decided to do the image first. I guess I was kind of lazy and didn't want to sketch this twice, to be perfectly honest with you. So I went this route. I think it might have been easier to put the background in first, but you know, living, learning, you know, it's a journey. And I'm actually using an acrylic medium to put this down, or to glue it down to the canvas and all the seams. I really like the acrylic medium, so thank you to the person that actually recommended that I use that instead of the Mod Podge that I was using initially. It was, yeah, definitely an improvement. And also, when I glue this together with the acrylic medium, I tend to use the palette knife. I don't like brush strokes. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of brush strokes. I do use the brush on occasion, a paintbrush, But for the most part, if I can get away with, on the larger pieces, using the palette knife to spread it, I do. Yeah. And then it also applies a little bit of pressure. But be careful with the pressure, because this is magazine articles, and magazines aren't the same quality of when I was a kid. They're pretty much like copy paper. They're almost the same. So I find that if I go too hard with the palette knife or anything to kind of spread and smooth this out, you tend to kind of take the color off a little bit on the image. So just, I would recommend just be a little bit careful with that. Yeah, I don't think it's going to matter whether you're using a laser jet printed images or something from a magazine, because they're like paper thin and they're not like the high gloss that they used to be. Not that I did collage back then, so I really don't know. I guess I'm just making some arbitrary assumptions here. But again, if you do collage and you've got some comments on the paper quality in magazines, I would love to hear. If I'm crazy, I am crazy, but about that in particular, maybe I am, maybe I'm not. But anyway, I'm going to go back to cutting and pasting, because I like to do that. That seems to be a fun thing, and try to position this and finish her up. Well, I'm going to put the background in, and then we're going to figure out skin and hair. Yeah. I'm looking forward to it and not looking forward to it, if that's a thing.
We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out, but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that love, we got that, 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 we got that love, we got that, we got that. Kiss me and the world disappears. Tell me the things that I wanna hear. I just wanna stay right here. You push me out, but I come back. That attraction, I can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on. And oh, keep telling myself that I should move on, but I don't. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. 'Cause we got that mad love, we got that sad love, we got that fun love, we got that young love, yeah, that dumb love. We got that love, we got that, 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 we got that. We got that young love, that young love. 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 It ain't about fame, it ain't about fake friends. And screw your ex, is such a flake. Forget your grades, you need a break. It's all about you, no matter what the others say. But now I'm done talking, the lights on me. I tell you I got